I'm using an underwater phone holder. Yeah, I'm gonna look now. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the marine park now. I'm gonna put on my slippers and I have my snorkeling gear right here. And my life jacket. We packed up everything and yeah, we're gonna go now. We're moving to the alley and then here. This is it.
You gonna sit in front?
In this video, you will see Marine Park, ABC Beach, and Alice Waterfalls. We had this one-day trip for only 70 ringgit per person. So now we are going to the Marine Park. The Marine Center Tioman is filled with all sorts of activity that you can enjoy with your friends and family. Besides swimming in the warm seawater, you can also go diving or snorkeling. You can find really cool corals that harbor fishes and other sea animals that will captivate you. Alright, guys, I just got myself hydrated. Now, we're gonna go to the beach there. It's a small beach for snorkeling. There's lots of coral here. It's a marine park. So there are some areas like this where you can go down, but it's kind of like rocky, so make sure you don't fall. So yeah. Alright, see you. I'm using an underwater phone holder. Yeah. I'm gonna look now. They keep surrounding us in a cage. They won't stop. The marine park aims to protect all sorts of sea life in the water and help save them from going extinct. One thing to keep in mind is never take any sea material with you, and that includes washed up corals and shells because that involves damaging the local habitat. You can look at different sea creatures and take underwater pictures with them as long as the corals are not harmed in the process.
Let's go.
We're gonna explore ABC Beach. Air Batang, Tioman Island goes by many other names like Air Batang or ABC Village. Hi guys, so there's a resort there. The blacktip reef shark is usually found over reef ledges and sandy flats, though it has also been known to enter brackish and freshwater environments. This is the end of the bridge. We're gonna enter the ABC Beach. End of this bridge, we're gonna enter this bridge. Much more fancy, but a little bit more rusty, dirty. Cycling too. They're using whatever they have to plant. Alright guys, we're in Nazi place. A place I'll never forget or whatever. I'll always remember. Very good Milo. I ordered a beef burger with chicken nuggets. Like, this is my beef burger. Very good. It's a bit hot. I think I can handle it. Hey guys, so this is ABC Beach, Air Batang, Air Batang, and yeah, it's cold on the shore, but after that, just take really big steps, and after that, yeah, not much trash there. Very nice. Recommend it. Some stuff there. Memorize your times table here. Alright, see you. Alright, so we're on the back of the restaurant now. We're heading to Sweden. We're going to the waterfalls. Hi guys, we're in the falls. I think we're stuck. Alright, so we're going to the waterfalls. We're currently just walking. After this, we can go straight back. We also swim in the waterfalls. It's kind of cold, so I wouldn't really go down there, and I can't do bubbles here, so yeah. Alright, I'll see you later.